This demonstration is using our standard size glue gun with glue gun sealing wax. This is our new gold jewel sealing wax and our classic 3/4 inch aluminum seal. This has a cute little ladybug on it. So for this demonstration, I'm going to make a seal here on the envelope. And I've had the glue gun plugged in, heating up. I can tell it's hot. It's extruded a little bit at the end. I have it on a non-stick pad for easy cleanup. So to use, I just squeeze the trigger and I make a deposit of wax that's roughly the diameter of the seal face. Depending on how much wax you like to have extruding from the edge, you might do a little more or a little less. And then I just set the seal down on the wax and let it set for a few moments before removing. And there we have our ladybug. As you use a seal, especially with hot glue gun wax, the seal can begin to heat up, which can cause the wax to stick to the face of your seal. One way to help prevent this is to take a freezer pack like you would use in your cooler or your lunch pack and just let your seal sit on here and cool down. This has been sitting here just in the amount of time it took my glue gun to heat up, maybe 1 or 2 minutes. And what that can do is, as you're creating your seal, if you have a sticky wax like faux wax, which is a plastic sealing product which can be very sticky, this will help speed set the wax and allow it to release. So I just wiped the face of this on a cloth so it didn't have any condensation on it, and I will emboss the wax, holding the seal in place so it doesn't slide on the hot wax, and just let that set for a moment. And you'll see it creates a very crisp impression. This wax is still a little tacky, so I'm not going to touch it, but it really is that simple.